Hello legal hustlers. In this video we will see the novel Justice, by John Galsworthy, which is a compelling drama that delves into the complexities of morality, ethics, and the judicial system, set in early 20th century England. Justice is a 1910 play by the British writer John Galsworthy. It was part of a campaign to improve conditions in British prisons. The play criticizes the unfair practices of the judicial system, which imposes severe punishments on the poor without considering the circumstances behind their crimes. The characters are James Howe, a solicitor and owner of law firm Walter Howe, solicitor and owner of law firm Robert Coxon, their managing clerk William Falder, their junior clerk and the main lead Swedell, their office boy Wister, a detective Cowley, a cashier Ruth Honeywell, beloved of Falder Mr. Justice Floyd, a judge Harold Cleaver, an old advocate Hector Froome, a young advocate. Theme: justice, law, and morality. The drama opens at the office of solicitors, James Howe and Sons. A young woman arrives at the door, followed by children, and requests a special meeting with the junior clerk, William Falder. The woman, Ruth Honeywell, turns out to be Falder's married girlfriend, with whom he intends to elope to spare her from the brutal behavior and maybe death by her drunken husband. When the senior employee at the office, Robert Coxon, learns that a check that he has issued for £9 has been changed to read 90, Falder admits to forging and claims that he did it out of madness. Recognizing that he will be in a difficult situation with the young woman, Coxon expresses a considerable level of compassion towards Falder, and so does Walter Howe, the junior partner of the firm. However, senior partner James Howe does not agree and turns Falder over to the authorities. The second act begins in a courtroom during Falder's trial. He is represented by a young lawyer, Hector Froome, who, while not denying that his client had changed the check, wants a temporary delay of the trial and claims that Falder is unable to cope with such a difficult situation with the woman he loved and was searching for something that the lady he loved couldn't have, i.e. legal protection. Either she had to live in terror of her husband, or she could seek a separation. Brutal behavior on the husband's part alone is not a reason enough for divorce, in which case she would be unable to work or spend time with her children. She might have to sell her body in order to support herself. He begs the jurors not to ruin the young man's life by imprisoning him. Falder is found guilty and sentenced to 3 years in prison. Coxon goes to Falder's jail and asks if Ruth may meet the prisoner, but finds little sympathy. Ruth informs Coxon that she has divorced her spouse and is in a very miserable state as well as unable to support herself or her children. Falder accepts his jail reluctantly, and after his term, he leaves the prison completely shattered and broken. Ruth and Falder meet at the solicitor's offices, where Ruth begs the partners of the firm to give Falder a second opportunity and accept him back. The companions grudgingly agree to their requests, but only on the condition that he entirely abandons Ruth. Falder is shocked to find that she has only managed to exist in his absence by selling herself. The story concludes with Falder is arrested by a police officer for failing to report to authorities as a person on leave. Falder, who is fed up with his fate, jumps from an upper window and falls to his death. The drama concludes with the words of the senior clerk who has worked tirelessly to help him: "No one'll touch him now, never again. He's safe with gentle Jesus." Who said to whom? Let's see.
Thank you for watching. We're thrilled to have you here and hope that you find our content informative, engaging, and entertaining. Be sure to like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to join us for further updates.